Hello guys, and now scan for flash disk, scanning for flash disk, use serial print. Okay, and insert the paper here, insert the paper here. I scan, printing, and insert the flash disk. Okay, and this here menu. Okay, here menu, and now print, select print this plus this, and USB drive, select USB drive, and USB file to print, choose file, and this select the file, and test print. Okay, your file, name file, type file, site file, model, that modify, and select print. And print this here, you print two paper, and click two. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you, bye next time.